Hi everyone, DolphinKicks here, and today we're going to do another review on the new shoe that just came out, the Air Max 97 N1, the mix between the both, the Wotherspoons. So what's with that shoe is that actually, as you probably know, there's Sean Wotherspoon, who's one of the owner of Round 2, which is a vintage aka streetwear store that just opened, it opened a while ago in Richmond, then they opened in LA, and they just opened now in New York. And yeah, it's a really nice concept they do cash out straight, a lot of what we're going to do for Central too. And yeah, it's really nice. So what happened is that through influencers, icons, we can say in the streetwear community, like also JC from Urban Necessities, were able to create a pair of Air Maxes. And then there was 6 pairs from what I remember, and they had to be chosen by the public to know which one they were going to release this year on the Air Max Day. And the winner of the winning pair of the competition were these. So these shoes in particular are really crazy because these are colorways you've probably never seen like together before by Nike. So I'm gonna get more into the details. We had a few pairs on release day. These were crazy limited. People thought they were going to be easy to cop. It wasn't at all. So yeah, let me get into that. We got like a type of jeans type of material here. We got the type of green, purple, blue, pink, gray, and yellow here. We got the wave here, which you can also change because it's Velcro. You can change for the Nike Velcro tag. And inside, you've probably seen with Wotherspoons, he got this logo everywhere, the smiley, which is really funny. And then you got the soles, which you have the same colors on top. You got the pink, the gray, the blue, and the yellow here, and also the air bubble inside, which is a type of red. The thing, this is cool. Also, you can check. The cool thing is that the box, you got the same stripes, kind of what you have here on the shoe. After that, it's an Air Max box. You open it, and you have the message inside, which says more air for the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 1. 12 revolutionaries were invited by the design. Yeah, it was 12, not 6, sorry. For the future of air, the first Air Max ever designed by the community, for the community. The winner was Sean Wotherspoon, vintage store owner and lifelong Air Max fan, who brought together an Air Max 97 and the Air Max 1 midsole and outsole together, like the corduroy Nike that has Nike hats of the 80s that inspired them. They are made to wear and designed to fray. The more you wear them, the better they get. Those materials, the more you wear them, is going to get more character to the shoe, which is nice. Also, you have that blue type of velvet inside in the insoles, the Nike swoosh here and there, and that's pretty much it. You got also the jeans on the back, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, exactly. For the shoes, you also got these laces with, you got the gold tips at the end, and you got the white, purple, and blue laces, which match the colorways that are on the shoe with the blue and the purple stripe here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for these shoes. They're really nice. They're going to be a perfect colorway for the summer. It's not easy to wear, but it's the type of shoe exactly you don't wear every day either, because of the colorways and the story behind it. So that was it for the review of these shoes. And yeah, I'll see you at the Central opening this summer. And there's also like a lot of videos we're shooting today at the same time for you guys. So that's going to be uploaded like around a week after the review of this shoe. Peace out.